guys, welcome to my channel. I am Callie Alexandria and I'm so glad you clicked on this video today because I'm going to be showing you guys my lazy fitness evening routine, but I'm also going to be taking you guys to the gym. It is 1:30 and it is Sunday, so it's just going to be a lazy day and it's snowing like crazy outside right now. But I'm going to take you guys to the gym with me and then we're going to come back home and I'm going to show you guys my lazy fitness evening routine and I'm just going to show you guys how I wind down. But yeah, honestly, I just wanted to get a good sweat session in today because since like it is cloudy and snowy, I just feel like really unmotivated. So I just wanted to get in a good session just to start the week off right. I have been doing really good on like my diet and my exercise this past week, so I just want to keep that going. I'm gonna go to the gym, I'm gonna take you guys with me, and then I'm gonna come back and do my lazy routine, and then I actually want to give you guys my tips on reducing cellulite. I have struggled with cellulite ever since I started this fitness journey, and I still have it, and I want to talk about like my troubled areas for cellulite and how I get rid of it. So stick around for that as well. That is going to be later on in this video. If you're not already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, give me a big like if you guys enjoy this video. Any video requests, comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. But without further ado, let's just get right on into the video.
Heat in my vein like vernacular. Cook up the beat with a spatula. Y'all are not ready for action. I'm smoking these rappers and feeling spectacular. Making it killing like massacre. Watch out, I'm whipping my wrist. Right on my city, been pissed, but I show them love. I'm not the one that's at risk. My homie told me that when people rise up against you, it's a sign of your destiny real. Fake ones been hating cause they know that one day you're making it. Jealousy's all they can feel. Plugging the phone, drifting my soul. Painting the future and thinking alone.
It is 3:11 right now, so I'm gonna go get some protein, make the shake, make dinner when I get home, get ready for work tomorrow, and then I'm gonna wind down for bed. I'm gonna show you guys what I do for my fitness evening routine for a healthy lifestyle. So that is what I'm gonna do today. That's what I'm gonna show you. So if you guys enjoy it, please give me a big thumbs up because it supports me and it lets me know that you guys are enjoying my videos. Alright, and that's about it. So I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Alright, now it's time to make my protein smoothie, and I'm just going to add maca powder. It is the best for balancing my hormones. And then this Vega Sport protein I really like because it's low in sugar. And then of course with almond milk. And this was a blueberry smoothie. It was so good. Now it's just time to preheat the oven, and then I also have this really cozy robe that's perfect for winter time, but then my dog stole it, so that led to the sports bra. Now I'm just going to work on some emails and then also get in the shower while I'm waiting for the sweet potatoes to cook for an hour. Since this is my evening routine, I am going to put on a face mask and then light a candle to relax. Now that that's done, I'm just going to have sweet potatoes for dinner, zucchini noodles, and then some salmon that I sauteed in garlic. So now I'm just eating, and this is what life is like with 2 dogs. And of course, you know, it's your girl's favorite time of the night to have her warm lemon water to aid digestion. And now I just sit on my phone and respond to comments, catch up on Instagram, and then it's time to go to bed. Alright, hey guys, so I know that I said at the beginning of this video that I wanted to talk about cellulite and reducing cellulite and just reducing the appearance of cellulite. I know how much I struggled with it during the beginning of my fitness journey, and when I started this channel I really wanted to just give you all of the real and raw advice or just an insight on my life and like how I combat like cellulite, things like that, and like what I'm eating. And when I began this channel I just really wanted to focus on being real and being honest and to hopefully help you guys as well if you're in the same position. Honestly, I just want to share my tips and tricks and everything I've learned over the past couple months. So that is what I'm going for in this video and just in my channel overall. So I'm just going to give you guys 4 different things that you could do to reduce cellulite while I'm sipping on my protein smoothie. But the first thing is definitely number 1. You've probably heard this so many times, but it is hydration. It is so important to drink a lot of water. Water helps you honestly with anything. Water is so good for you. Water is so good for your hair, your skin, your nails. It helps you lose weight, it helps you get lean, it helps you build muscle. Like, water is everything. So it is so important that you are drinking so much water. I have mentioned this so many times in previous videos, but I drink a warm lemon water as soon as I get up and as soon as I go to bed. And typically I'll fill like a mason jar glass, but I don't know, I just got this NutriBullet, so like this is a really good chunk of water. Like, this is almost as big as my head. I think I might start using these for my warm lemon water too. I think that'd be really good. Do drink a bunch of water. Like, that is so important. Okay, the next thing I just started doing, I think about a month ago, and it has helped a lot. It is dry brushing. And let me actually go get the brush. Okay. So this is the brush I use, and it has like the hard dry bristles. Every time I shower, just beforehand, I just make sure to rub it all over my legs and like my arms and all the problem areas, because it stimulates the collagen and the blood flow in those areas once you dry brush. So that is super important in reducing the look of cellulite. So I highly recommend getting yourself a dry brush. I think I got this one at Walmart for only a couple dollars, so it's really not expensive. So definitely think about getting a dry brush to reduce the look of cellulite. Okay, the third thing I want to tell you guys is to target tone. But there are so many exercises you can do to make your legs look leaner. But another thing is, I have incorporated cardio in my fitness routine tremendously. I feel like I do so much cardio, and that helps with the lean body, just because cardio helps so much. You're burning those calories, and if you're constantly eating in a calorie deficit, then you are golden. Okay, the fourth thing I'm going to give you is increasing omega-3 fatty acids into my diet. So along with dry brushing, it stimulates collagen, and then it also reduces the inflammation of the skin. So one way that I have incorporated omega-3s in my diet is having a fish oil pill every day. So I make sure I have that with my vitamins and supplements and everything. So make sure you get your fish oil pill every day. It'll give you more omega-3s, and that does help reduce the inflammation of the skin. Alright guys, that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed my lazy fitness evening routine and then how I get rid of cellulite. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, because that really helps me out. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. I post every Friday. And go ahead, leave me a comment, tell me how you're doing. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next Friday. Bye!